We are looking at how to pronounce this Latin phrase, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ slightly. It is often abbreviated as etc and a dot. It is used at the end of a list to indicate that further similar items are included. How do you go about pronouncing it? Many people pronounce it incorrectly with an X sound, as etcetera, etc., or etcetera. It is to be said rather with a T sound, as etcetera. Etcetera is how it is said in British English. In American English, it is rather said as etcetera, etc., or etcetera, etc. Did you get it? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.